Welcome to Universal Reads. Let's learn ABC flashcards. A is for apple. A is for angel. A is for ant. A is for alarm clock. A is for airplane. All right, now let's move to the letter B. B is for broomstick. B is for blocks. B is for blanket. B is for bread. B is for butterfly. C is for car. C is for cow. C is for chair. C is for castle. C is for cheese. Cracking work! Now let's move to the letter D. D is for drum. D is for dragon. D is for door. D is for duck. D is for donut. E is for elf. E is for eagle. E is for envelope. E is for easel. E is for egg. F is for fairy. F is for frog. F is for fan. F is for frisbee. F is for French fries. G is for goblet. G is for goat. G is for glass. G is for gamepad. G is for grapes. Brilliant! Now let's move to the letter H. H is for hat. H is for horse. H is for hanger. H is for hula hoop. H is for honey. I is for ice wand. I is for iguana. I is for iron. I is for ice cream cart. I is for ice cream. J is for jewel. J is for jellyfish. J is for jar. J is for jump rope. J is for jam. K is for knight. K is for koala. K is for key. K is for kite. K is for kiwi. Amazing! Now let's move to the letter L. L is for lamp. L is for lamb. L is for lamp. L is for Lego. L is for lemon. M is for moon. M is for mouse. M is for mirror. M is for marble. M is for milk. N is for nymph. N is for nightingale. N is for napkin. N is for net. N is for noodles. O is for orb. O is for octopus. O is for owl. O is for oven. O is for orange. Excellent! Now let's move to the letter P. P is for potion. P is for penguin. P is for pillow. P is for puzzle. P is for pizza. Q is for queen. Q is for quail. Q is for quilt. Q is for quiet. Q is for quinoa. R is for ring. is for rooster. R is for rug. R is for robot. R is for rice. S is for sword. S is for snake. S is for sofa. S is for slide. S is for sandwich. Fantastic! Now let's move to the letter T. T is for throne. T is for turtle. T is for table. T is for train. T is for tomato. U is for UFO. U is for unicorn. U is for urchin. U is for umbrella. U is for uncle. V is for vampire. V is for vulture. V is for vase. V is for video game. V is for vanilla ice cream. W is for wand. W is for whale. W is for window. W is for wagon. W is for watermelon. Catchy! Now, let's move to the letter X. X is for X-ray. X is for Xerox machine. X is for Xmas tree. X is for xylophone. X is for Xenops. Y is for Yeti. Y is for Yat. Y is for yarn. Y is for yo-yo. Y is for yogurt. Z is for zombie. Z is for zebra. Z is for zip. Z is for zipline. Z is for zucchini. Subscribe! Universal reads, and thanks for watching.